Hello, today we're going to hoist the engine from the Tudor and make room for the other one, which is not ready yet. But yeah, I'm not going to drive with a Ford anymore with this engine. I drove with it yesterday. It's not fun. It's tired. It's smoking. Nah. So I figure I can remove that one to make the job easier, faster when I get the other engine ready. Woo! I had like 3/4 of a tank, so it will take a while. I think I have loosened everything. I have taken out all the bolts between the gearbox and the engine. I've removed the engine mounts, the 4 screws, the 4 bolts, sorry. And I have removed this water inlet. I have removed the wires from the spinny. The radiator is just folded down, resting on a armrest. Very primitive, very good. I had to remove this headlight because the cables are going through the grill shell. So, gas line disconnected. I hope everything is disconnected. So I will just try to lift the engine up and a bit forward, see if it comes loose from the gearbox. Hope it does. Woo! Yeah, I forgot the gas pedal, so the engine was a bit stuck, and I also forgot to remove the front engine mount. So yeah, but now engine is out. Yee! I forgot this one. I've discovered that wheel dollies is very good at engine holders. So just put the engine on that one, so it's easier to move around. I will use this pressure plate. I will buy a new disc. I will not use this flywheel. I have another one. I'm going to remove quite a lot of kilograms on. I'm going to lighten that a fair bit. Well, otherwise it's nothing on this engine I'm really going to use. So yeah, thanks pal, see you. Is this a good way? Do I get a spring in my face? I don't know. I will loosen every other first. Huh. Okay then. We have to manage without the light. I think we do. Yeah, that went well. He's still alive. Yay! Full of oil. This engine was leaking quite badly from the rear seal. So hence all the oil. This just needs a good cleaning. I will use this pressure plate. I will obviously not use the disc, but the pressure plate I will use. Clean the surface. Yeah. This flywheel I will not use. I have another one. I'm going to lighten severely. But I might remove this one anyway, so yeah, cool. So yeah, I have the engine out, and I'm hoping I'll get some parts for the other engine pretty soon, so I can install that one. The thing I need first is to lighten the flywheel, so I can put that in. A new clutch plate. What do you call it? Disc, clutch, disc? Well, a new one. Install the pressure plate, the engine, and some speed parts. So yeah, in the next episode I might have some candy for the engine. I hope I do. So yeah, that's it for this episode. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye! Sweet dreams, engine.